friends, welcome back to my channel Travellingsoulstale. During this lockdown time, try Indian milk sweet recipe Basundi. It is easy and you need few ingredients only. For Basundi, I am taking 1 liter of milk. You can take full fat milk or demi-cream milk as well. Boil the milk and stir the milk continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now add chopped almonds and cashews to the milk and boil it. You can add pista nuts if you have. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Continue to stir until it becomes thicker. And add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And you can see pale yellowish color here. Continue to stir until it becomes thicker and milk should reduce to half of the quantity. Now Basundi is ready. Let it cool for some time and serve it hot. You can keep the Basundi in fridge for 10 minutes and serve it cool as well. Do try this recipe and enjoy this recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos and click on the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Bye bye, take care.